Keeping your pool chemicals safe and sound is way more important than most people think, especially if you want to avoid nasty accidents or chemical reactions. So, always store your pool chemicals in a cool, dry spot that doesn't get any direct sunlight because heat and light can mess with their stability. Make sure the area is well ventilated, but not humid because moisture can cause chemicals to clump or react unexpectedly. Keep everything in its original container with labels intact so you don't accidentally mix things up. Avoid storing different types of chemicals right next to each other, especially acids and chlorine. They can cause dangerous reactions if they leak or spill. If possible, use a locked cabinet or shed to keep kids and pets out because these chemicals are toxic and can cause serious harm if swallowed or touched. Check your storage area regularly for leaks, rust, or damaged containers, and clean up spills immediately with proper protective gear, like gloves and goggles. Never store pool chemicals near flammable items or anything that might catch fire easily. And finally, don't forget to follow the manufacturer's instructions on storage to keep everything safe and effective for longer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool chemical storage safety is leaving chemicals out in the sun or in hot places, which can cause them to break down or even explode. Always keep them cool and shaded. Another common issue is mixing chemicals together or storing incompatible chemicals side by side. This can lead to dangerous fumes or fires, so separate acids from chlorine and keep them in different spots. Lastly, a lot of folks don't secure their storage area from kids or pets, which is super risky. Using a lockable cabinet or shed solves this problem easily and keeps everyone safe. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource for homeowners who need help finding local contractors they can trust for projects like pool maintenance or repairs. It also gives contractors a way to connect with clients and grow their business without all the hassle.